All right, so today's task is swapping. Thanks everybody for commenting on the last video. So I'm going to be swapping the leaf springs. The extra spring, which is the one that's over here on the passenger side, needs to be on the driver's side. What I'm going to do is take it all apart, swap everything over, and then hook it back up. First part was I was also trying to figure out where the last tire was that matched the other three that I had on here. I guess at some point I had put it on this car because it had went flat. It was on the front here, and I hunted down a spare that I had. Really doesn't matter, but they're different style tires. So I went ahead and pulled that off. Sorry about the lighting. I got that one on. Now I've got 4 tires with air on this, so I can roll it out and get it out of here. Then I'll need to move all the stuff that's on top here so I can get the body and pull it off and move it over. Then I'm gonna look at the bins that I've got out and see what I can definitely put up for a little while, because I'll be doing metal work. So I got shelving right here, I'll do that too. There's the S tire. So I have it now. I can pull the tire off here and start working on swapping over the springs. And somebody else had mentioned the rubber rebound, which I'll get those on. I got a little bit ahead of me. That's where I'm at. Semi-decent day out. 63, 64 in the garage, which I think is most adequate. So, playing around with getting everything swapped over. I got the U-brackets back in, tightened down. Not 100%, and like I said, the idea behind this is just to get it in shape so I can put the wheels on and get the body back on here. I also cut this similar to the way I saw one that was shipped, which was in a V-shaped. I guess that'll help locate it a little better. I'm just putting it on with zip ties for now. I got the actual metal straps, but I'm just putting it on with zip ties for now, just to hold it into place while I put the body back on the frame. So I got the other side to go, and I'll pop that one on. Then I got the rear shackle brackets to get on, and then I can put the wheels back on. It should be ready to bring it down off of the sawhorses and get it on the ground. All right, so we're gonna update. Got everything locked back in. I got everything on the side it's supposed to be in. I got the bumpers on. Thank you for everybody pointing that out. And I'm ready to put the wheels and the tires on. Tomorrow would have been a great day to move everything around in the garage since I'm off work and I'm home. But luckily, the area that I live in Northern Virginia, is due to get anywhere between 4 and 8 inches of snow. I'm gonna have to put this off till another day. I don't think a snowstorm is the best time to be trying to move a whole bunch of stuff out of the garage and back into the garage. For now, we'll hold off and see if we can't find some smaller projects. First off, we'll be cleaning up all the mess that I have from moving everything over, tighten a couple more bolts, and see what we can pick out. Maybe do a little bench work. I know I said I wanted to work on that wiper motor. That might be a good one for tomorrow. All right, that's the update. We got everything on. Definitely looking good. Got the rear springs tightened up. What I need to do is hunt down the rubber strips that go on here to protect the frame from the body. When I lift the body over and put it down, it'll have something to sit on. Then get a couple of the bolts out and see if I can find the brackets that hold that front end in. Just chase some of these threads, be ready to go. Taking me a while to get there. I'm happy with it and ready to move to the next step. So let's rearrange the garage here soon. Probably need the help of a few friends or neighbors to get it all into place. So here's kind of where I'm heading with the rest of everything. I want to go ahead and finish up that steering link, which is going to be painting it and then installing the bush kits. I want to find the rubber frame padding material so I can get it on the frame itself. I got to box up some parts so I can get those back on the shelves and get them out of the way. I need 4 big friends who have, you know, an hour or so to give me time-wise, and that way we can lift the frame down off of here, take the body, and I'm gonna get all the parts around it off and all the extra pieces out. That way we can pick it up and locate it back on top of the frame. It should be on the ground. And then rearrange the spare Tr3. So the bottom car needs to go on top. So that's the extra parts car that I had bought, which is actually a complete car. Kind of a long story on that. But we're gonna put it on the top of the lift. Lift the lift up as high as it'll go, and then pack whatever I need to put back in storage for a while on it, in it, around it, and then put the original car, which was Max Tr3, since it'll be back on the frame. So wheel it in underneath the bottom and then make room around it so I'll be able to get to it, work on the metal, have all the tools and everything that I need in order to make that happen. The only thing I need to pick up now is a welding blanket. I'm just more comfortable because I have some cardboard boxes over on that side, on the far side of the garage, and I don't want to be starting any fires in the garage, even though I know where my fire extinguisher is. And I need to locate one more on the opposite side. So that's something else I need to go pick up. But that's the plan, hopefully. Moving forward, I've updated some of the parts list that I have in the computer. It hadn't been snowing yesterday. It's currently outside about 20 degrees. Might be a little warmer. But yeah, that cold snap just went through here and created havoc. And we got probably a good 3 or 4 inches of snow, which was enough. Definitely think the forecasters got it right and why I did not want to be trying to move anything around. So the garage reorg will have to take place another day.